It arrived as scheduled. Please keep watching for a quick unboxing of my first Musely FaceRx shipment. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Amy. I have melasma. I am a registered nurse and I post videos dedicated to topics related to melasma. I just recently posted a video about getting started with Musely FaceRx and I thought it would be fun to do a quick unboxing video. Now I'm also going to show how I set up the checkup program on the eNurse app now that I received the medication, and will be starting my first day of treatment this evening. So it's not going to be any surprise to me about what's in here, but here we go. Now, I signed up to receive my prescribed spot cream in a set that includes a sunscreen and cleanser, so let's see what it looks like. Ta-da! So here is the day cream, or this their sunscreen, the spot cream, and the cleanser. So right off the bat, the day cream is smaller than I expected, but I guess it is only 1 fluid ounce. This is the day cream SPF 50 moisturizing sunscreen. And the active ingredients are titanium dioxide 5% and zinc oxide 7%. And I'll review this in the future, but obviously with this amount, it's not going to last very long. Okay, so the next item is the cleanser, and this is literally called the cleanser. This is a gentle face wash, and I read on the website that this is a super gentle, and I'm looking forward to trying this, and I'll be using it as part of my nightly double cleanse. And now for the big star of the set, which is the spot cream. And I do not see anywhere on here any specifics about the formulation. Ah, here it is. Okay, so on here is, on the bottle is just like a regular prescription label that you would find on any medication prescription bottle. So my spot cream is called Musely M+, and it's formulated with hydroquinone 12%, tretinoin 0.05%, and the hydrocortisone 2.5%, which is on the label here. I also know that this is formulated with 6% kojic acid and niacinamide 2%. So we have that. And then there are some inserts here. Here is a pharmacy insert that kind of just gives you some general information about the pharmacy. It looks like this was compounded in a pharmacy from North Carolina. And here is an insert about the free Musely eNurse app. So you can personalize your treatment, question and answers with the dermatologist, and there's also information here about the 60-day result guarantee. So I did not go into this when I was filming the getting started video, but on here it talks more about that. Now, if you use this medication together with the Musely app eNurse checkup program for 60 days and are not satisfied with your results, we will refund the full cost of the medication. Okay, so there's only one other insert in here, and this is just the FaceRx general guide, and that's pretty much what it looks like, a general guide. So I'll be following more closely the specific instructions provided by my dermatologist about my treatment plan through the app. And I'll go into more about this medication and my treatment plan as I start using the products and I have enough time to be able to give some feedback. So here I want to show a clip of setting up the day 1 of the eNurse checkup program. Now this is required for that 60-day results guarantee, but I am doing it more to follow my skincare routine as recommended and to monitor my progress. So here is the eNurse checkup calendar. Start day 1. Welcome to FaceRx. Start by learning how to use it and answer a few questions. Here's where to upload before pictures, which I took yesterday, a front view, then the left side, and the right side. Now it is going over how to use the spot cream with some recommendations on how to simplify the routine. Next, how to prep the skin, cleanse, then wait 2 to 4 minutes before application. Then it talks about application with tips. I also received specific instructions with the M1 from the dermatologist through the app. Wait 5 minutes, then follow up with a thick moisturizer. I like that they recommend CeraVe, one of my favorites. Here's where I can set daily reminders, which I don't think I need. Then here are some questions about sunscreen and other skincare products. Day 1 suggestions talk about the importance of sunscreen and sun avoidance measures. So that completes that and quickly summarizes this app feature. I hope you found this information helpful and plan to continue following me on this Musely journey. If so, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and please comment below if you have used Musely or any other similar type of online service. Thank you to my current subscribers and wishing you all good health, and thank you for taking the time to invest in your face. Bye.